तो हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग। तो हम लोग आ चुके हैं एक नई और इंटरेस्टिंग थंबनेल बनाने के वीडियो के साथ। इस वीडियो में हम लोग सीखेंगे कि थंबनेल कैसे बनाते हैं। बहुत ही इजी ट्रिक है। तो चलिए मैं जाता हूँ और आप लोग एक ऐप देख के आइकन देख रहे हो सामने, इसी ऐप से हम लोग थंबनेल बनाएंगे। तो चलिए बाय बाय, टाटा। वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिएगा।
Words fall out of my mouth, they drift to the ground and they don't make a sound. I'll try to sample them back to the place in my head where I feel that I lie. The proper speak that I need to narrate the scene, to tire these things. The proper place for my thoughts, I know that I'm not, you know that I'm not. So good and transparent, I'll try, but I can't promise it. So bad, but I can't love, the edges hang down. Take back all that I said. I've said it before and I'll say it again. It's not like me to pretend, but the best part of me is the worst I can get. But you make me so terrified. I tried to reply, but I'm shaking inside. You gave me a tongue just to tie. I'll swallow my pride if you swear not to lie. Hard to read and hard to speak to, but don't take my word, 'cause I'm honestly so bored of being misunderstood. I'm not so good and transparent.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session, if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated. But she's got me captivated, so the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah. She got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. Got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. good when you're undressed. I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, 'cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah. They say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. Got bad intentions. She got a body like a coffin. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coffin. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me.
Welcome to the world, no heroes and villains. Welcome to the war, we've only begun. So pick up your weapon and face it. There's blood on the ground, go and take it. You get one shot to make it out alive. So higher and higher you chase it. It's deep in your bones, go and take it. This is your moment. Now is your time, so prove yourself and rise, rise. Make them remember you. Rise, push to heaven. Rise, rise. They will remember you. Welcome to the climb up, reach for the summit. Visions brave and one false step lead the end. So higher and higher you chase it. It's deep in your blood, go and take it. This is your moment. Take to the skies, go prove yourself and rise, rise.
तो दोस्तों कैसे लगी वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिएगा। तब तक के लिए टाटा बाय बाय सी यू एंड टेक केयर। और हाँ, मैं तो भूल ही गया था कि आप लोग मेरी वीडियो देखते और सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करिए प्लीज़।